Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Sending bangers on the way. Supporting the ATS community. Follow me on Instagram. Shoot me a DM. I might respond. What's up, YouTube? This Benji. This is officially my first YouTube video. I wouldn't say I wanted this to be a car channel. I'd say it's like a blog / car channel, but what I've noticed is I'm driving the Cadillac ATS 3.6 LGX engine. There's no videos on this car, and I like to do a rundown, show it off a bit to let you guys know what you guys getting into. But waiting for this light. Third gear is the real sweet spot. Finna head over to the car wash. We'll get it all cleaned up, and today I'll be getting into installing a WICKERBILL on the ATS. There's basically virtual no videos on this whatsoever, no rundown. I'm in an ATS group, ATS and ATSV group. It's a group mixed with 2.0 owners, 3.6 owners, 2.5 owners, ATSVs. It's a really good group to be in. They're really supportive. They, anytime you got some questions, they're quick to respond. Sometimes there's a little criticism, but I mean, it's a great community. If you're planning to get into getting an ATS, or you already have an ATS, that's definitely the group to go on. What I've seen, they're like nationwide, probably. I've seen everybody from everywhere where they say they're coming from, so it's like a wide variety. But I got my WICKERBILL set up from Jake Ang as in A-N-G. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I got the WICKERBILL from him through that group. I'll try to see if I could drop the link to his profile, his Facebook profile, or the Facebook group, so you can get in contact with him. Basically, he sells the glass to the WICKERBILL. It really wasn't that expensive. I would say it's really cost effective. Don't complain about the price, in my opinion, because when he sent it to me, I checked out the shipping. The shipping costed about $40 out of that price, and he charges everything together with the shipping. So what he's really getting is not really what he should be getting for these WICKERBILLs, because man, it's great. He's taking the time to cut out the glass and everything. I mean, it looks phenomenal. It looks great. yeah, I mean, if you have the time to check that out. I will be dropping pictures on, I would say on my Instagram, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and make a Instagram for this car, drop what I've done to it or whatnot, or I don't know if YouTube allows me to put pictures, but we'll see, so you could get like an in-depth look. Here are the groups. Here's Jake Ang's contact, what to look for in the group. I don't know how far I can go with showing the references, but this is the ATS group that I found Jake Ang at, and this is who you contact to get the bill. It's not expensive. I mean, great price. What's your Instagram, Lowe's?
Damn, man. I got two.
Drop the car one.
Car one, 2JZGLO _ personal page is sophisticated youngin _ You know what I mean? I'm kind of terrible on loading the content and stuff, but you know, I'm working on it. Been real busy personally. But, you know.
Follow his page, guys. Follow his page.
Follow him. It's not, bro. Like, you want to heat it up and like press it, like in a way you could kind of mold it onto the car. Like basically after you put it on, you could take the heat gun
and take it off.
Like not take it off, but you could kind of heat it and like kind of like mold it onto the car in a way, because you know it'll flex. Because you know this is plastic.
Yeah.
So bal different cap bali form type shit. We could do that after, depending on how you feel, but that shit gonna be straight. Just make sure that shit's straight, bitch, and you're like doing like 160. That bitch fucking fly off.
I don't think I'm hitting 160 no time soon, fam. I've been trying to chill.
Yeah.
I've been doing the 1 to 100, but other than that, I be trying to chill, bro.
Damn.
Like I
was living down south, man. Damn, that should have been wicked, man. Them niggas out there be driving.
Oh yeah, I almost died.
Damn.
Dude, I was racing a Q50, right? Me and him, we running friendly fade on I-95, bruh. Some Audi S5, something, I don't even know where it came from. He, like, I told you the story. I went in front of the semi truck.
Oh yeah.
He comes out of nowhere, almost takes me out and another car out. Yeah. I had to do some, bro. I had to do some ultra instinct type of stuff to get out of that situation. And then he just the Q50 seen everything. He left. He took the next exit. It wasn't even his exit. He took the next exit.
Got off that shit.
Me, on the other hand, I took another exit too, because that was just too crazy. And he just disappeared. And I was like, bro, dudes in Miami, they got the bread, but they don't have the driving skills at all. Because if you're going to do a flyby like that, you don't focus in, you focus out. You put every single variable into the situation. If you know I'm going around the semi truck, you should know you should see me on the other side.
That's what I found. I do not like doing hot boy shit with every.
WICKERBILL is installed. Installed the WICKERBILL. I'll probably put in the video. put in the video of me installing the rev nuts. Let me know in the comment section below if I use the right materials. Let me know ASAP. We'll try to post this as soon as possible. Hopefully nothing else happens. Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Hey, what's up, my man?
Getting this shit done
Oh, no.
little by little. Oh, Brody pulled up in the Jeep. Oh shit. Hey, this look like the sexy version of the Hummer.
Yeah, oh, definitely. Yeah, that's
You want the chicken now or later? Right now.
What is it? A V6, V8?
I don't know. It's a V6.
Come on. Be weak.
I'm just rinsing it out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you.